Hello there, welcome to Market View, brought to you by Faida Investment Bank. My name is Boniface Mudiri, and today we're going to talk about the over-the-counter trade, the OTC. So many times when you come to the stock market, we just hear about the shares that trade within, the NSE, Safaricom, KCB, Kenyan. But ask yourself, probably you want to buy a share in something, say like Norwich Union. So how do you buy that share? It's not listed, but then how do you get it? And that is what you're talking about, the over-the-counter trade. So in a nutshell, we'll be breaking it down, and I hope you'll be able to learn one or two things about over-the-counter trade. So what is an OTC trade? So these are actually securities that are trading off the exchange. So when a stock, or rather a security, is not trading in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, like a public listed company, so we have like private companies trading but are not listed, those are now trades that we call the OTC, over-the-counter trade. So for you to be able to trade in such an exchange, you have to understand key things, because one, since an OTC trade is not listed, you really need to go and visit your broker and give them an order of whatever you want to buy. And this broker, based on their dealership network, they'll be able to get a matching order for you. So it's more or less, think of it as a willing buyer, willing seller. Because at the end of the day, it's not listed. So whatever price that is trading and acceptable by both parties is what trades. And who is actually a key player in this? We have what we call the market operator. So each OTC has a market operator. For example, Faida Investment Bank, being the market operator for several counters that we manage, and I can give you examples. Jamii Bank, that is trading over the counter and you can be able to buy it. There are other shares that are trading like Family Bank, Norwich Union, Funguo, and many more that are actually not listed. So for you to be able to trade, all you need to do is just go and get a purchase order from your broker. And by that I mean, I'm assuming you've already opened a trading account, and the broker will be able to get a counter trader for that. If say you are a purchaser or rather a buyer, the broker will be able to get a seller for that securities and be able to trade it. And that is the simplest way we can think about the over-the-counter trade. So now that you understand what an OTC trade is, and probably you have a company that you want it set up for the OTC trading, contact Faida Investment Bank. We are managing several counters over the counter and we can help you set it up. So as a shareholder or investor, and probably next time you want to think about any other stock market that is not trading in the conventional exchange, like what you see Safaricom, Kenyan, etc. Now you know it is possible to trade that stock that is not listed. Talk about Norwich Union, Funguo, Jamii, etc. I hope this video was very helpful, and as usual, feel free to contact us, give us a like, feedback, and we'll be willing to assist you in all your inquiries. My name is Boniface Mudiri, and you're watching Market View, brought to you by Faida Investment Bank, where we link investors to opportunities.